My dear brothers and sisters, the situations of men and beasts after superatomic explosions. Al-Quran says in Suratul Hajj, ayat nung 2, يَوْمَ تَرَوْنَهَا تَجْحَلُ كُلُّ مُرْضِعَةٍ عَمَّا أَرْضَعَتْ وَتَضَعُ كُلُّ ذَاتِ حَمْلٍ حَمْلَهَا وَتَرَى النَّاسَ سُكَارَىٰ وَمَا هُم بِسُكَارَىٰ وَلَكِنَّ عَذَابَ اللَّهِ شَدِيدٌ. Meaning, when you find or observe, heard the earth on quake, or heard by furious wind bearing materials of radiation, every mother giving suck will forget her suckling babe, and every pregnant female shall drop her load unfound. Every man shall appear as in a drunken condition, yet not have taken drink. In fact, it is for the severe sufferings given by Allah. Suratul Takbir, ayat number 4 and 5. وَإِذَا الْإِشَارُ أُطِّلَتْ وَإِذَا الْوُحُوشُ حُشِرَتْ. Meaning, when the she camels pregnant with 10 months young shall remain untended, or in other sense, those shall not be able to bring forth to their youngs, though time is just to do impact of radiation. And when the wild beasts will be herded together, perhaps in human habitations. We have come to know that pregnant female shall drop her load because of earthquake and radiation. In 1986, the Chernobyl explosion occurred, but yet now no pregnant woman is found there in fear of abortion. Men will be so unmindful or in drunken condition that they would not take care of the pregnant she camels, 10 months with young. Sufferings would be so tremendous that mother shall forget their suckling babe. The condition of man in drunken mood is due to fear of tremendous suffering. Comprehensive atomic explosions, volcanic eruptions, resulting certain death, and furious winds and tornadoes with dust and smokes, with great high temperature, for which the forests will be burned, and that is why wild beasts will take shelter in human localities. There is a saying in Hadith, man will drink in the same place of water body. Man and beasts will drink in the same place of water body. We are to advance further with Quran.